Artificial intelligence, or AI, is changing the business world. It's no longer just for big companies. Small businesses and entrepreneurs can now use AI tools too. AI is becoming more affordable and easier to use. This is a game changer for small businesses that want to compete with larger companies. AI helps small businesses automate tasks, analyze data, and reach the right customers. With AI, small businesses can save time and money while getting better results from their marketing efforts. This technology is revolutionizing how small businesses operate and grow. AI makes it easier to understand your customers. AI tools can analyze customer data from different sources. This includes website visits, purchase history, and social media activity. By understanding customer preferences, AI helps businesses personalize their marketing. Personalized marketing leads to stronger customer relationships. When customers feel understood, they are more likely to engage with a brand. AI-powered personalization allows small businesses to compete with larger companies by delivering tailored experiences. Data analysis is crucial for effective marketing. AI simplifies data analysis for small businesses. AI tools can process large amounts of data quickly. They identify patterns and trends that humans might miss. This information helps businesses make informed decisions. Small businesses can use AI to optimize their marketing campaigns, allocate resources efficiently, and improve their return on investment. AI takes the guesswork out of marketing, allowing businesses to make data-driven decisions. AI will continue to transform marketing for small businesses. As AI technology advances, it will become even more powerful and accessible. We can expect to see more innovative AI marketing tools. These tools will further automate tasks and provide deeper insights into customer behavior. Small businesses that embrace AI will have a significant advantage. They will be able to deliver personalized experiences, make data-driven decisions, and stay ahead of the competition. The future of marketing is AI-powered, and small businesses have the opportunity to be at the forefront of this exciting revolution.